welcome to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, and Happy New Year in advance. So guys, my name is Victoria. This is This Space. This is I talk about lifestyle, vlog, African culture, and many things. So guys, you can see I'm the Christmas mood. This Christmas day, this is 25th of December. So guys, I'm at home, we're at home, everybody, siblings, family members, everybody's around. So we are preparing. Yesterday we did the phase 2, so today is on the third phase of this Christmas. So guys, I want to take you guys along. This one I'll be doing some laundries. So I want to show you, I want you guys to come along with me, okay?
Why don't I hit you? You may feed up. Oh, that guy is with a lifestyle. Wow, not too much. Oh my God.
How many minutes?